We're standing at the beginning of a brand new year. And chances are, you're asking yourself the same question you've asked before. How do I finally change my financial situation? Can I really make it in real estate? If that sounds familiar, you're not alone. Every year, millions of people want more freedom, more income, more control over their future. The problem isn't desire. The problem is not knowing where to start. Who do you listen to? What information is actually real? How do you avoid costly mistakes? And the biggest question of all, what is this going to cost me? If you're watching this video right now, you've already found the answers. Here at Nova RE Alliance, our sole purpose is to help people just like you. People who are ready to stop watching others win and start building something of their own. This isn't hype, this isn't theory, and this definitely isn't do it on your own and hope for the best. This is your time, your opportunity, your chance to change everything for the better. Right now, market conditions are ideal for beginners who know how to position themselves correctly. Opportunities are opening up, and those who are prepared will build serious wealth from them. At Nova RE Alliance, we don't just teach you real estate investing, we do it with you. Step by step, deal by deal, every step of the way. No confusion, no guesswork, no going it alone. If you're serious about making 2026 the year everything changes, the next step is simple. Join us on Facebook at Nova RE Alliance, or visit us online at realliancegroup.com. Your future doesn't change by accident, it changes when you decide, and that decision starts right now.